Hello, hope you're fine. Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 15, and today's topic is verbs adding ed and ing. Here it is written, when we add ed or ing to each of the words in this list, we double the last letter. Examples are given here. See, nod, nodded, nodding. Here we are doubling the last letter. Same thing is here. Hum, hummed, humming. Drop, dropped, drop. In this place m has become twice, means double. Here p has become double, and in this place grin, grinned, and grinning, this place n has also become double. Now we will do some exercises, then this topic will be clearer for us. Here a number exercise, add ing to each word, first doubling the last letter. Here see peg, so it will be pegging. Means see here I am adding another g. Same thing, chat, chatting, rob, robbing, stab, stabbing, hum, humming, skim, skimming, drop, dropping. You are understanding it. Skid, skidding, drag, dragging, slip, slipping. B number exercise, here add ed to each word, first doubling the last letter. So do it. Here snap, it will be snapped. I have doubled it, means last letter. I have doubled the last letter. P, grin, grinned, lap, lapped, rub, rubbed, nod, nodded, dipped, dipped, trim, trimmed, grabbed, slam, slammed, drip, dripped. Now it is the turn of last exercise. Here C number exercise, fill each space with the right verb. We'll try to put here the verbs what we have found above. So let's start. Water was from a hole in the can. So here in this place, drip, drip is a perfect word to put here. So here what we will do, we add with this ed or ing. Here see was is written, so we will add ing. So here dripping. 2 number, the car dashed on the wet road and crashed. What we can write here, see this one, which one, this one, I think this is perfect. So we can write the car skidded on the wet road and crashed. So here we will write skidded. Skidded, I think you know the meaning. Skidded is for vehicle slide, typically sideways or obliquely on slippery ground, or as a result of stopping or turning too quickly. So next one, 3 number, Joy dash a merry tune as she went along. What can be? I think this word can be appropriate here. So right here, how we will write here? Here see, after joy there is no another helping word like this. In this place there was not, that's why we had added ed. So in this place we will do same thing, it will be hummed, m, and we will double it and then add ed. So mom dashed the wet cloths on the line. What will be here? Mom pegged. Mom pegged the wet cloths on the line. P double G E D, pegged. The rude boy dashed the door as he went out. So I think you have understood what word, this word is appropriate for this place. So it will be the rude boy slammed. The rude boy slammed the door as he went out. Jean Paul dashed on a banana skin and hurt his leg. Jean Paul, Jean Paul, Jean Paul, Jean Paul, Jean Paul, Jean Paul slipped. This is better, I think. So put it here. Jean Paul slipped on a banana skin and hurt his leg. The gardener was busy dash the hedge. So what will be here? What word can be put over there? Here, bring from trim. Okay, this is the perfect word. The gardener was busy trimming the hedge. Trimming the hedge. So you can ask why I have used here ing. Here I have used ed. So I told in this place it was helping word or helping verb. So that's why it became dripping. Same thing has happened here. Here is was. This is a helping word or helping verb. So that's why has become trimming. So last one. A lovely white kitten was dash a saucer of milk. So what will be here? What can we put in this place? Here the word which we will bring to put, that will be must with ing. Why? Because here is a helping verb or word. So let's think which one can be here. This one is a perfect word, lap. So we'll write here lapping was lapping a saucer of milk. Hope you have understood today's topic easily. I have done today page number 15 and the topic is verbs adding ed and ing. It's so important, your speaking and writing. Next day I will do with you page number 16. There we will find the topic, that is the end stops. Bye for today.